Click on Oscilloscope button of the taskbar. Click on Open button and select the saved waveform file, then open it. Save button could be used to save the current screen to the target file. The above is the introduction of oscilloscope taskbar functions.